but I'm probably on the verge. If this thing comes down and stops me out, it could still completely turn around and reverse, but I think it would be harder for it to turn around and reverse. But that doesn't matter. I think it's just chopping around. So again, 3-tick risk to make 20. I'm just gonna let it happen. So okay, this is probably pop back. This is probably where I'll get stopped out. But I really don't have a clean read on the locals. If anything, they are mixed to long, but we'll just, I guess I'll just let this happen here. I'm still surprised I have not been stopped out, but any second now, I'll be stopped out. Just 2 ticks away, so there, this should be it. 3 ticks. Okay, there we go. Finally, let's see. I sat in there for about 15 minutes, which I consider to be a pretty good entry. If I can get in, risk 3 ticks, and be in for 15 minutes. A lot of times you can be stopped out really quickly if you're not in at a nice area. So I've taken 2 trades today, both of them extremely small risk, but not a lot of conviction either way. So again, I'm just going to kick back. If I get another really small risk entry, I may take it, but if not, I will sit back. 951, just as I suspected, this thing was going to attempt new highs. Got a little bit nasty here in all this chop. I never saw another opportunity that made me want to jump in. So the locals did buy up here towards the highs, so I think they are going to support it and try to keep pushing it through. So I'm going to kind of just sit back though, because I'm not, I'm not willing to buy it quite yet up here. So I will sit back and wait. I still think that, we're going to see 90. That's just a prediction of mine that they're going to push us up, run some stops to attract, so that they can sell it to them. But I guess we'll find out here in the next couple hours. Okay, it's 10 o'clock. I got my eyes on a low risk entry on a pullback here. If I can get filled on a retest of this channel, this pitchfork breakout, I'll give it 4 ticks, and then my target would be new highs. So I like the way it looks on this chart a little bit better. I'll break out, come retest, and then we'll see if we can make it one more run up. So that's the play. Let's see if I get a chance to get a fill. Okay, I was filled on my position down there at 31. I'm going to go ahead and I'm trying to decide if I just want to move my stop up for a break even on this point, for no risk. Yeah, I'll just leave my stop where it's at. 4 ticks to make, let's see, about 15, 20. So pretty good risk to reward. And I'll kind of just let this one play out. I like the way it bounced off that area real quick. Doesn't mean it's gonna hold, but for the risk, I think it was a good entry. And we'll let this one play out, and hopefully we can make a new high. 10:07. It's come back down to my entry price. It's been hard to get any follow through on some of my trades here today, but it is getting into the lunchtime trade, and there's not a lot of conviction as far as I can tell on the upside, other than that the trend is up. But